Welcome to Maths Daily. In this video, let us expound our knowledge and learning in adding fractions. So keep watching and let's learn. Moving on to the next examples. Let's try adding 3 fractions at a time. In order to do that, we need to find the least common multiple of the 3 denominators. Once again, let's solve this problem by following these simple steps. Number 1, list down the multiples of the denominators. So our denominators are 10, 5, and 4. For 10, the multiples are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. I will limit my list to 5 multiples for each denominator. However, if you can't find the LCM yet, you may continue the list. For 5, the multiples are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And for 4, the multiples are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. From this list, we can say that the common multiple of 10, 5, and 4 is 20. Now that we have found the common multiples of these 3 denominators, what do we need to do next? Step 2 is rewrite the fractions using the LCM. So this will be equal to over 20 plus over 20 plus over 20. Now that we have the new denominator, how are we going to determine the numerators? As you see, 20 is a product of 10 times 2. For the second fraction, 20 is a product of 5 times 4. And for the third fraction, 20 is a product of 4 times 5. Or you can find it from the list. For 10, we got 2 multiples. For 5, we have 4 multiples. And for 4, we have 5 multiples. The rule of thumb here is whatever you do with the denominator, you have to do the same with the numerator. So if you multiply 10 times 2, we need to multiply 5 times 2. 1 times 4 and 1 times 5. Now let's identify the new numerators. 5 times 2 is 10. 1 times 4 is 4. And 1 times 5 is 5. So this time we can directly add the top numbers or the numerators as we have the same denominators. So 10 plus 4 plus 5 equals 19. 19 over 20. This will be our final answer. For number 2 and 3, feel free to pause the video and solve this problem. Number 2, what is the least common multiple of 4, 3, and 6? The least common multiple of 4, 3, and 6 is 12. This will be equals over 12 plus over 12 plus over 12. As you see, 12 is a product. 12 is a product of 4 times 3. 3 times 4 and 6 times 2. Now let's do the same with the numerators. So this will be 2 times 3, 2 times 4, and 4 times 2. So the new numerators are 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 4 is 8, and 4 times 2 is 8. So now that we have the new sets of fractions, let's add. 6 plus 8 is 14, plus 8 is 22. 22 over 12. 22 over 12 can be divided by 2. Divided by 2. So this will give us 22 divided by 2 is 11. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Our answer is in improper fraction. So we can apply step 4 here, which is convert improper fractions to mixed fraction if necessary. So how to convert? Simply divide 11 by 6. So this will give us 1 and take the remainder 5 as the numerator and copy the denominator 6. Final answer is 1 and 5, 6. Number 3. For number 3, the LCM is 24. So this is equal to over 24 plus over 24 plus over 24. Now, 24 is a product of 24 times 1, 12 times 2, 4 times 6. Now let's do the same with the numerator. So this will be 13 times 1, 8 times 2, and 3 times 6. This will give us 13 times 1 is 13, 8 times 2 is 16, 3 times 6 is 18. Let's calculate. 13 plus 16 is 29 plus 18 is 47 over 24. Our answer is in improper fractions. So we can apply step 4 here. Convert improper fraction to mixed fractions. So this will give us 1 and 23, 24. So this is our final answer. I hope you learned something from this lesson. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.